In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to turn messy notes into clean, organized notes you can actually use. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to take notes. This could be a fresh page for a meeting, a lecture, or a brainstorming session, or it could be an existing page inside your notes database. The main goal here is to make sure you are working in the right place before you bring in any content. Starting from the correct page helps keep everything organized from the beginning and saves time later. Once your page is open, use a Notion AI prompt to tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. You can ask it to summarize your notes, organize them into clearer sections, or rewrite them in a more polished way. This step is important because the quality of the result often depends on how clearly you guide the AI. Keep your instruction direct and specific so the output matches your needs. Next, paste in your raw notes. These can be messy notes from a meeting, rough lecture notes, or quick thoughts you captured during a discussion. Don't worry if the notes are incomplete, unformatted, or hard to read. That's exactly where Notion AI can help. Just make sure all the important information is included before moving on. After that, let Notion AI create a clean summary from the raw notes. This is where the tool helps transform scattered information into something more readable and useful. A good summary should highlight the key points without losing the original meaning. If your notes cover several topics, the AI may also help separate them into logical sections, which makes review much easier. You can then ask Notion AI to extract action items or next steps from the notes. This is especially useful for meeting notes, project discussions, or planning sessions where decisions were made. Instead of searching through paragraphs to find what needs to happen next, the AI can pull those tasks out for you in a clearer format. Before you finish, review the AI generated output carefully and make any corrections needed. AI can save a lot of time, but it's still important to check for accuracy, wording, and missing details. Edit anything that feels unclear or doesn't fully reflect your original notes. Finally, save the completed notes in your notes database. This gives you a polished, searchable record that is easier to revisit and share later. With this workflow, you can go from messy notes to organized documentation in just a few minutes.